Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to be testing out dollar store slimes. First slime is Silly Sludge Slime. This is a jiggly slime. The thing that I like about it is that it jiggles so much. That is the great thing about jiggly slimes, and it's like never ends. You can have so much fun, but the thing I don't like about it is whenever you squeeze it, it just makes a big mess and falls apart whenever you try to stretch it and everything.
So the next slime we have is a beaker slime. This is also a jiggly slime. This slime is really hard to get out of the container. I love this like cool design and everything. I'm not a huge fan of jiggly slime because you can't really poke it or anything. And the thing I really don't like about this slime is the glitter gets like, I think it's made out of glitter glue, but just all that glitter that's in this slime gets everywhere.
So after that slime, we have so we had the bucket of slime. This is so clear. It's a pink clear slime. Look about it. This is so big. And what I love about it so far is that it makes really good clicking noises and it's a really good clear slime. Now, what I don't like about it is that you can't really stretch it as well. It just falls down. But if you stretch it, it breaks apart. So satisfying.
So the one after that is the same brand as the last slime. It's a goo, what is this? A goo Zuka slime. So I'm hoping this is a really good slime. This is the last slime. How do you open this? So this was really hard to open, but we finally got it open. There was like slime stuck up in the lid. This is such a cool packaged slime. I couldn't get all the slime out, but this is the slime. This is such a nice slime. I love the glossiness and how clear it is, just like the bucket of slime. And on camera, it's like a very like tealish color, but and it's not as clear. But in real life, it's like green, like a really cool green, and it's more clear. And what I don't like about it is whenever you play with it for a while, it starts getting really stiff, and you can't stretch it as good, or the clicking sounds aren't as good. Okay, we did come to the end of this video, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed, and yeah. Bye!